What's up everyone, and welcome back to another episode of ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill. If you're new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe right now. Give this video a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave those down below. Hit that notification bell because I do have a ton of heat coming out this week that I don't want you to miss out on. Also, be sure to check out that join button. We've got some amazing membership perks on there, as well as an amazing merch store with some shade items. So be sure to head on over to that website after this video is over. Today is Supreme Lookbook Day. I know that I didn't do my overview of pieces I was going to go for yesterday just because I knew I was only going to be going for one piece this week. And that is pretty much what I have on my body. So I'm going to talk about this jacket, then I'm going to jump into the sellout times of items that really flew off the shelves online this morning. And then we're going to talk about how well this jacket is or isn't doing on the resale market. All right, let's jump into it. So this is John Coltrane. So for those of you who are in a younger generation, you may not know who this is, but he really made a place for himself in jazz. So I am somebody who is huge on vinyl. I love collecting LPs. So this is something I have been in search for, which is the Love Supreme LP, first edition from 1965, which it does exist, but not for the price point that I currently want to invest in. But one day I will have to add this to my collection. For those of you who want a little backstory on John Coltrane himself, he by far killed it when he came out with the LP of Love Supreme. This was one of his greatest records of all time, and it really spoke to so many in so many different ways. So not only did his talents surmount so many during his generation, but this really spoke to his spirituality when he was actually getting over his drug and alcohol addiction. So a lot of emotions, a lot of just amazing talent went into this album. So definitely something that I grew up listening to. And for those of you who've never listened to John Coltrane, he may have, played with somebody by the name of Miles Davis. So pretty big time person when it comes to jazz. And he also was nominated for 2 Grammys for Love Supreme, and this is the exact imagery on the cover of that vinyl, and it literally is so unique. It's so different. For those of you who don't know about Supreme and their denim pieces, these do actually come out and are quite limited, and I think that they do such an impeccable job with their denim pieces, so I had to snag this in store today. This was just something that was so cool when I saw it in person. The materials, the quality is absolutely insane, and it's just the fact that this is a part of history, and he is one of the greatest humans to ever be in the genre of jazz. So to be able to wear this and have this on me, I'm going to be rocking this for fall and winter. So you're going to be seeing a lot of styling going on with this piece. talk about why I didn't go for any of the True Religion pieces. So I was never into True Religion, honestly, when it came out. I still am not into True Religion currently, and I don't know what it is. It was overpriced when I was growing up, a pair of True Religion jeans, and it's still overpriced in my opinion. But Supreme did a collab with them, and those seem to be the pieces that definitely flew off the shelves. So kudos to anybody who went for those pieces. I just personally wasn't at the top of my list. The Faces sweater was all right. I just picked up, obviously, the Thrasher sweater that released the other week, so I didn't really feel the need to add to my sweater collection just because I was more drawn to that Thrasher knit sweater over the Faces sweater. But the first piece that sold out was the Faces sweater in a small in 34 seconds, followed by the True Religion denim trucker jacket in that light pink in 35 seconds, then the Faces sweater in an XL, followed by the Supreme True Religion denim jacket in a size small in the mossy oak colorway, then the Supreme True Religion denim cargo pants, followed by the Faces sweater in small, then the True Religion hooded zip-up sweatshirt. Then we had the tail hooded sweatshirt in light pink go in a small, and then the Supreme True Religion zip-up hooded sweatshirt in a small in 42 seconds. So most pieces that flew off the shelves were the sweaters with the two faces today. Again, I just felt like a lot of the True Religion pieces were a bit overpriced. This went for $278. The True Religion zip-up hooded sweatshirt, for instance, was $238. In my opinion, this is just more of a steal. This is something I'm going to actually get more wear out of, and it's going to go with a lot of other things, and it's just more unique. But those are the sell times. So now let's talk about resale. So this actually on the resale market is going for $388 when it actually sold for $278, but it looks like there are some pieces still stuck online, so you better go and snag those. Maybe that's a mistake and there's a glitch on Supreme site, but these are definitely extremely popular first things to go when I was in the store. I think people who are huge fans of John Coltrane are definitely obviously complimenting me already on this. I wore this out and people are like, whoa, is that John Coltrane? I'm like, all right, that's it for this episode. I know that I took a few days off. It was my birthday this week, but I literally shot like 7 shoes this week. So be prepared for all of that content to be dropping. If you are new here today, thanks so much for joining in. Be sure to hit that subscribe if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up. Leave me any comments or questions down below. Hit that notification bell because we do legit have a ton of heat dropping, as well as check out that join button. Amazing membership perks on there, as well as an amazing merch store. This is ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill. We will catch you all in the next episode.